In this video, I will show you how to move video file from your SD card to your Android internal storage. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you look for files. Go ahead and click on files. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here, open up SD card. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you look for where you have the video file in your SD card folder. So I have the video file in Bluetooth right here. And then here we go. This is the video file right here. Just like so. So how can we move this video file into our internal storage on an Android phone? Go ahead and click on these three dots right here. And then you want to make sure you click on move to. And then go ahead and click on internal storage. Then choose where you want to move this particular video. I'm going to move it in DCIM under the camera. Then I'm going to click on move here. You can move as many as possible number of video as the case may be. Once you are done, simply go back, then go ahead and click on here to go back, then here you go. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and confirm the file. So you have it from the top right here. However, if you cannot see it from the top, come down to internal storage right here. And then you want to make sure you click on DCIM under the camera. Then you have the video right here. You can play it now, and it's going to play on your internal storage of your Android phone. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.